If your fish has cloudy eyes, it could be due to poor water quality, a poor diet, injuries, or infections. To address this issue, it's essential to provide quality water by ensuring the water quality, including pH, temperature, and impurities, is ideal. This can be achieved by draining contaminated water, considering heavy carbon filtering or water conditioning to remove impurities, and pumping enough oxygen into the tank to refresh the water. Additionally, providing a better diet that is rich in vitamin A and all essential minerals can help. If the problem results from an injury, identifying and removing the cause from the tank can resolve the issue. And transferring excess fish to another aquarium can also help reduce competition. In cases where infection is the cause, introducing medications for cloudy eyes into the water may be necessary. Consulting with qualified professionals can also provide valuable guidance. By following these steps, you can help fix cloudy eyes in your fish and improve their overall health.